Everyone's talking about AI in 2025, but how do you actually make money with it without being a tech expert? In this video, I'll show you 5 real ways people are using AI to earn right now, no coding, no experience needed. 1. AI content creation first. Content creation. Tools like ChatGPT, Canva, and Pictory help you write blogs, generate scripts, and design social media posts in minutes. Many freelancers are offering content services using these tools and getting paid $50 to $500 per project. AI voiceover and avatar videos second. Avatar videos. Platforms like HeyGen and DID let you create talking videos with AI-generated voices. People are using them to make YouTube videos, tutorials, and explainer content even without showing their face. 3. Selling AI templates third. Templates. You can create Notion templates, resume formats, or storytelling blueprints using AI and sell them on Gumroad or Etsy. These are easy to make and can earn you passive income daily. 4. Freelancing with AI fourth. AI-powered freelancing. You don't need to be a developer. Use tools like Grammarly, Jasper, or Copy.ai to offer writing, editing, or SEO services online, even on Fiverr or Upwork. 5. Affiliate marketing with AI tools. Finally, affiliate marketing. Many AI tools have referral programs like WriteSonic, InVideo, or Copy.ai. Share your link in YouTube videos, blogs, or WhatsApp groups and earn commissions every time someone signs up. So whether you're a student, a stay-at-home creator, or just curious, AI is opening new doors in 2025. Start small. Pick one method. Be consistent. And don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more tips, and share with someone who needs to hear this.